guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fragrance review, and it's on the new fragrance by Ariana Grande, and it's called Cloud. So when I first smelled this fragrance in store, I was really surprised by it. I wanted to share it with you today because it's such a really beautiful perfume. So I'm going to get started straight into a little bit about the perfume. It was launched in 2018, one of her newer fragrances. So the Ariana Cloud fragrance is an oriental floral fragrance, which is one of my personal favorite fragrances. That's just the kind of fragrance that I tend to go towards. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I open it. So when you open it, it looks like that. It comes in this really cute packaging, and this little cloud comes apart, and that's kind of cute to keep on your nightstand. So I'm going to put that away for now. And this is what the fragrance looks like. So it's in this blue glass bottle, has a little cloud on the top as well. So I'm going to write down all the notes on the screen as I talk about them. And the top notes of the fragrance is pear, bergamot, and lavender. When I first spray this fragrance, I definitely pick up on the lavender, and that's what makes the fragrance quite unique, especially for a celebrity fragrance, the note of lavender. I think it's so beautiful in a fragrance. And then the middle notes is where you really pick up on the sweetness of this fragrance. That's where you find that you can smell the coconut, the whipped cream, and the praline, and so it's very gourmand. After the middle notes, you can definitely start to smell the musk and the woodiness of the fragrance. Just going to spray it. I really like the way the spritzer sprays as well. It's very even. Especially not an expensive fragrance, so that's really great. Now straight away when I do smell the fragrance, for me it does have that kind of masculine kind of quality to it. It is sweet, and for me I like women's scents that kind of lean towards the masculine side. I like them when they're quite strong and quite bold. So this scent is very sweet, but I'd have to say it's definitely not cloying. I can get a headache sometimes when I spray a fragrance that is too strong or too sweet, but I find with this one it's not cloying at all. For me, this fragrance does smell quite unique, and it is very exotic smelling. It's very sweet. I think it's definitely one celebrity fragrance. If you haven't tried, you should definitely try, because it has become one of my favorite fragrances for the whole year, and I find that I have been reaching for this fragrance a lot. I like to wear this fragrance in the day or the evening. I think it's great for both. I think it is better because it is a sweet and more gourmandish fragrance. It is better for the cooler weather, and I like to kind of stick to more of my autumn, winter for wearing this fragrance. But I have definitely worn this in summer because that's when I bought it, so I definitely wanted to try it out during the summertime. On me, it lasts about 5 to 6 hours, and that's pretty long. Like, I will spray it in the morning or in the evening, and it will last the whole night. I won't need to respray, which is really good. The scent really lingers, and you can smell it on yourself, so you're like, oh, what is that? So the cost of this fragrance is about $35 Australian, and you can get that for different prices just depending on what store you go for. So it's about $35 for the 30 ml, which I think is a really great price. And that is the kind of reason why I wanted to share this fragrance with you. And I think that any age group can wear this fragrance. It's not just aimed at a younger audience. The packaging definitely is, but when you smell the fragrance, it definitely does smell a lot more mature and a lot more, you know, a broader kind of mass appealing fragrance. So if you are looking for a fragrance that is a celebrity fragrance or something that is not too expensive, I would definitely give this one a try. So that is it for this review. I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!